guys, myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rituja Ki Pathshala. In the previous lecture we have seen the character data type and I want to tell you guys the character data type is related to the string. String means anything which you have written in the single quote or double quote, which is the alphabet or letter or any sentence, that is called as a string. So for that the data type which is used, that is character data type. Now today we are going to see the numeric data type. So here when you are dealing with the numbers into your database, at that time you have to use this kind of data type, that is called as numeric data type. Now there are the 5 types of numeric data type, that is tiny int, then small int, then big int, and then decimal. Okay, so here guys the int means integer. Okay, so these are the 5 types of numeric data type. Now I would like to tell you guys that these data type are having their maximum length, that you can give the number, you can insert the number into this table wherever you are giving this data type up till this range, that is tiny int is having the range from 0 to 255, then small int is having the range from minus 32768 to 32767, then big int is having the range of minus 2147483648 to 2147483647, then big int is having the range up till here in this way, as you can see it on my screen, and the decimal is having the range of 38. Okay, so now we will look this data type in the implementation form one by one. Okay guys, so now for your better understanding we will just create a table for time. We are going to understand how the tiny int numeric data type works. Okay, so create table. I will create the table for the tiny int underscore test underscore 2. Okay, this is my table name. Then I am giving the this as column name as id. Then I am giving the data type as tiny int. Okay, and this one, and then bracket close and semicolon. Okay, now I will create this table. Just select this your code and then hit the execute button. See, commands completed successfully, that means your table is created successfully. Now after that, when you are going to insert it, I have given the range from 0 to 255. Okay, so now let's try to insert into it. So I will do this, that is insert into, now table name, that is tiny int test2, then column name, that is id. Okay, then values, and then just give the value you want to enter. So range is between 0 to 255, so we will try to insert the value of 255. Okay, and then bracket close and enter, semicolon, and then just select this one and hit the execute button. See, one row affected means the data is inserted successfully. If you want to see is it inserted or not, then give the command that select star from tiny this table name. Okay, select it and semicolon, and then just select this code and then hit the execute button. See, 255. Now if you try to insert the value beyond 255, so we will try to insert the value as beyond 255, so we will try to insert as 258. Okay, or 256, just one number away from 255, and just select it and hit the execute button. See, arithmetic overflow error from the data type tiny int value 256. So it is giving the range from 0 to 255. Now in the same way, if you try to execute control C and less than 0, control V, then less than 0 is like minus 1. Okay, less than 0 is minus 1, then just select it and then hit the execute button. So then also it is giving you the error. And if you try to insert the 0 value as it has given 0 to 255, select this and hit the execute button, one row affected. Now if you want to see that whether it is inserted into your table or not, see, 0 value is inserted. So this is the limitation of this data type, numeric data type, that is tiny int, having the range from 0 to 255. 255. Now let's move towards the next data type, numeric data type, that is small int. Okay, so just okay, we will try to, for the better understanding, we will create the table for it. Small int underscore test underscore 2. This is my table name now here, and then I will give the column name as employee ID, and then give the small int. Okay, data type, and then bracket close semicolon, and then just select this and try to execute this. So completed successfully means my table is created. Okay, now the range is given from minus through 32768 to 32767. So just I will try to insert the number into it. Insert into table name is small int, then my column name is employee ID. Okay, and then values. Now we will try to, as the range is given from 32767, from this to this minus, so just we will try to execute this one. Control V and try to execute. This is the last this is the range, the last digit in under the range. Row executed, row affected means the value is inserted into the table. If you want to see that is it inserted successfully or not, you just select star from table name, that is small test, and semicolon, and then just select this and then hit the execute button. Okay, you can see the value. Now in the same way, if you try to insert just wait, if you try to insert 32767, up till now it is available, you can insert it. Now we will try to insert one number away of that 32768, and just select it and hit the execute button. See, you are giving the, it is giving the error, arithmetic overflow error. So that means that it is giving the range, under that range only you need to give the value. Now look after this number minus 32768. So just try to insert that number. Okay, and then just select this and then hit the execute button. One row affected. Okay, now if you want to see is it is inserted successfully or not, just select this, select star from table name, you will get it. Now if I try to insert one number away, minus 32769, and just insert this, insert, so yeah, it is giving me the error. So it is this range is from minus 32768 to 32767. Okay, this is about the small int numeric data type. Okay, now let's move towards the int data type, which is mostly used into many of the data set, because it is giving the range in the higher range, that is minus 2147, and generally your number comes in between this number only, and after that something comes and or big int data type is already there. Okay, so now let's move towards the int data type. So here for the better understanding, we will create the table regarding it. Create table, name is that int underscore test underscore 2. Okay, then number is like I will give as employee ID, phone number, phone, ph number. Okay, and I will give the int data type and semicolon. Okay, now I have created the table with the column including phone number, and then hit the execute button. Okay, command completed successfully. Now just try to insert the value. Insert into, okay, insert into in table name, that is int underscore test underscore 2, and then your column name inside the bracket, that is phone number, bracket close, and then here it is values. Then give the number for the int. Now here it is allowing us to give the number from this value to this value, so we'll try to put this value first. Control C. Now here just like Control V, and then just and hit the execute button by just selecting this. See, one row affected. Now if you try to give, see, Control C, if you try to give normal number like or 2000. If you want to insert this number, and just select this and execute, it is executed. And if you want to see is it executing properly or not, then just check it from the command select star from table name. Table name is int underscore test underscore 2, okay, semicolon, and then just select this and hit the execute button. See, you can see the number, it is inserted properly. Now it has given us the permission up till this number 2147 483647. Now we will try to insert one number away from that, 43648, and just select this and try to hit the execute button. See, it is giving the arithmetic overflow error, okay, so it is not allowing us. Now in the same way, it is starting from minus this value, okay. Just try to insert this value into this control V and just select it and then hit the execute button. So it is one row affected. Now if you are giving the value one more number away from that, it will give you the arithmetic flow error. Means it is strictly following this thing, that is it is having the maximum length from minus 2147483648 to 2147483647. Okay. So guys, we have seen tiny int, small int and int into this video, and we have seen their maximum length as well. So in the next video guys, we are going to see the big int and as well as the decimal numeric data type, how it works, what is their range and how it is working in the implementation way. Okay. So guys, if you need any kind of improvement into my lecture, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it. If you are facing any problem while executing this command, if you are doing it at your end, then please write it in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. And guys, if you are just able to understand my thing, whichever I am explaining to you, you are liking my video, then please subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends so that they can also learn what is SQL and how it is working. Okay, so thank you so much guys for your time and listening me, and